So we got our laundry washed at this place. Hi, how are you?
This one's boy, this one's girl.
Yeah. They had too many chickens giving birth. What is this? Okay, ba means 8. This is Chinese tea. Braised pork, shrimp, 2 styles. This cat is really bad. He's sleeping on the road. I don't like it. Hi. Oh, sweet. But be careful. How do we teach it? Like a cat paradise. Oh. Hey. Yes. What now? How do I train these cats? They go under the... Yeah. Got this foaming hand wash. Let's see how it turns out. Show me your hand, Alice, first. Okay, go ahead. Whoa! That looks crazy good. This is the ice ADT.
ADL.